Hello guys, and welcome to our new project, Centre Court Tennis. Here we are in Fireworks at the moment. As we can see, I've set up a title screen for the game. So we've got a nice picture there, and that is set up to the standard stage dimensions for Scratch, 480 by 360 pixels. So we have the title screen set up to those dimensions, and also got a court. So we can see that there is the playing area. Very simple drawing with just lines and round rectangle. We also have this rectangle at the bottom. That area is quite important because that is the area, if the ball touches that, then the point will be deemed to have been lost within the game. Going into Scratch, and you can see here we have the two backgrounds that are imported. Simple matter of just importing that and finding out where you've actually saved them. So they're the images that I've saved previously. And then we have this sprite here, this new game sprite. So just a simple button that I'm going to position at that part of the screen. And if we look at the different costumes, we've got a different version of the button, slightly different versions of buttons. So if I click on those and we watch that tennis ball there, we can see that the tennis ball actually rotates. Let's just move down there. Let's get that back in the right position. Okay, so we've got the rotating tennis ball. Anyway, let's have a look. Start having a look at a bit of the code. So for the stage, when the green flag is ticked, we just want to make sure that the correct background is showing. So we want the title screen to be showing when the green flag is clicked. So that's pretty much the code for the stage. For the actual new game button, let's have a look at that. So when the green flag is clicked, we want the button to go to that position on the screen. Now, when we go to select, go to X and Y, and we drag those in, those coordinates are already given for us, so it picks up the coordinates from the position of the button. So that's already done, and we want to make sure that we can actually see the button. That's very shortly in the game we're going to make the button hide so it doesn't infringe on the playing area. So we need to make sure that at the start of every game it's actually showing. Then we've got a forever loop, and this basically creates the animation of the rotating tennis ball. And we just go to the next costume and we wait. We wait 0.1 seconds. Okay. Now when we actually click that button, we need to put a bit of code in, okay, that describes what we do when we click the button. So when the new game button is clicked, now in this particular occasion we want to actually hide the button. And we're going to put in a bit of a sound in there as well. So I've had a look around and we can see these play sound triumph until done. So we've got this sound here, triumph, which is basically just imported from the sounds that are available within Scratch. There we go, so we've got a nice sound there, and then we'll play that until it's done, and then we'll just wait 1 second. So when the new game is clicked, okay, we hide that, but we need to just broadcast the fact that the game is starting. So I'm just going to put a new broadcast command in here, start game. Okay, and so when that is broadcast, that will be the cue for the next part of the game. Alright guys, see how you get on with that and get back to me when you're done.